Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A3 Core and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on useful features category and pick the shooting methods. Here at the first place we have press volume key to option, so when we pick it we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, which is now zoom and system volume. So let me change it now to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.